So I just installed Alexa in the house. Hooked up probably 16, 17 items. You've got the family room. Alexa, turn on the family room lights.
Okay.
So we've got the LED spotlights in the ceiling all done, and the main light. Alexa, turn off LED.
Okay.
We got that separate. Alexa, bulb 1, turn off.
Sorry, I didn't get that.
Oh.
Please try again.
Gotta speak a little clearer. Alexa, turn off bulb 1.
Okay.
Alexa, dim bulb 2.
Okay.
No, turned it off. Alexa, bulb 2, 5%.
Sorry, which device?
Bulb 2.
Okay.
There you go. I can mess with that. Also did LEDs underneath the seating area outside on the patio. Alexa, turn on seating lights.
Okay.
And you can't see them, but they're on. I also did the kitchen. Alexa, turn on kitchen lights.
Okay.
Also did the pond outside, so I can turn the pond off. And I also set it up so in the night that it'll go off. There's no sense running the pond in the middle of the night. Save on power. I got exterior lights hooked up onto the down to the I don't know, little walk down area that we have down there that goes over the slough. I did the back lights. Alexa, turn on backyard lights.
Okay.
Alexa, backyard lights 100%.
Okay.
And backyard lights 5%. You know what I did wrong? I didn't say your name first. Alexa, backyard lights 5%. Alexa, backyard lights 5%.
Okay.
There you go. Okay. Also did the living room, except the living room's a little ways away. I might put a thing in here or the side of the house that I can turn on, but you can call from here. It's quite a ways. Alexa, living room lights on. You see? So it does work. Alexa, living room lights off. I put that on a timer too, so you can set times with Alexa. So that she turns on and off the lights automatically. I ordered for the fireplace. Should come in a couple of weeks. Coming from China. It's just a module you put underneath in the area there. And I keep your thermostat so it's safe. It'll turn off automatically when it gets too hot in here. So you put that in before the thermostat, and it's 12 volt, so you got to make sure you get the right one for that. For the rest, maybe later on I'll do the TV and a few other things I can find, but yeah, you know, it's coming around. So alrighty then, take care, all the best.